你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Day Up. Learn the most authentic Chinese and make progress every day. Today, we're going to learn how to discuss plans with others. Time word plus 你有安排吗? Do you have any plans at a certain time? Then we follow up with the invitation. 一起 do something. 怎么样? An first tone. 排 second tone. 安排 means plan, arrangement. 一 fourth tone. 起 third tone. 一起 means together. 下个星期五你有安排吗？一起去麦克家参加 Christmas party 怎么样？ Have you made any plans for next Friday? How about going to Mike's place for a Christmas party together? 好啊，没问题。Sure, no problem. 王经理，明天上午10点，您有安排吗？一起开个市场会怎么样？ Manager Wang, are you available at 10 a.m. tomorrow? How about we have a marketing meeting together? 行，没问题。Okay, no problem. When we say time word plus 你有安排吗? It's relatively formal. A more casual way to ask whether someone is available before suggesting a plan is the following structure. Time word plus 你有事儿吗? I heard that the Sichuan restaurant on the 3rd Street is good. 明天晚上你有事儿吗？一起去吃怎么样？ Are you free tomorrow night? How about we go eat together? 我不去，我不吃辣。I'm going to pass. I don't eat spicy food. 晚上你有事儿吗？一起去喝一杯怎么样？ Do you have any plans tonight? How about having a drink together? 今天不行，今天晚上我有个约会。I'm afraid I can't go today. I have a date tonight. In my personal experience, in comparison to their counterparts in the West, Chinese people tend to be more spontaneous when making a plan. You often hear people saying, 到时候联系. Let's get in touch then, instead of confirming the time or place well ahead of time. 到 fourth tone, 时 second tone, 后 neutral tone. 时候 means time. 到时候 means at some point in the future. 联 second tone, 系 fourth tone. 联系 means to get in touch. 到时候联系 means let's get in touch then. 寒假你有安排吗？一起去哈尔滨看冰雕怎么样？ Do you have any plans for the winter vacation? How about we go to Harbin to see ice sculptures? 行啊，到时候联系。Okay, let's get in touch then. 李兰，这周六你有事儿吗？一起去唱歌怎么样？李兰 Do you have any plans this Saturday? How about we go to KTV together? 好啊，我们可以先去唱歌，然后去逛街，怎么样？ Okay, we can go to KTV first and then go shopping. What do you think? 行，到时候联系。Sure, let's get in touch then. Going to KTV or singing karaoke is a very popular entertainment in China. You can hear Chinese people suggesting, 一起去唱歌怎么样? Literally, it means, how about we go singing? And it usually means, how about we go to KTV? To sum up, today we have learned how to discuss a plan. 下周末你有安排吗? Or 下周末你有事儿吗? And 到时候联系。Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me what you would say to your friend if you want to suggest playing tennis with her this weekend. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。 王英，今天下午你有事儿吗？一起去钓鱼怎么样？行啊，去哪儿钓？ Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? They are discussing a plan. They are talking about their fishing experiences before. Neither of them likes fishing. Please choose the best answer. 小美，这个寒假你有安排吗？一起去香港玩怎么样？好主意，到时候联系。What does 小美 mean? 小美 doesn't want to go to Hong Kong at all. 小美 already had a plan for the winter vacation. 小美 likes the idea and will talk to her friend then. Please choose the best answer. 李兰，后天你有事儿吗？一起去滑雪怎么样？滑雪？我不会啊。没事儿，我教你。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? They are learning skiing right now. They are planning a trip to ski. They don't like skiing. Please choose the best answer. 小美，明天你有安排吗？一起看电影怎么样？好啊，李兰，几点去？我不确定。What would 李兰 probably say? 明天见。到时候联系。没事儿。Please choose the best answer. 李兰，周末你有事儿吗？一起去逛街怎么样？哎呀，王英，这个周末我朋友结婚，我要去参加他的婚礼。Which of the following statements can be inferred according to the dialogue? 王英 wants to go shopping with 李兰。李兰 will go shopping with 王英。They will go to the wedding together. Please choose the best answer.